Hi viewers, in today's video we will look at NIST Special Publication 800-37 Revision 2. So we start with the little bit background about it. Its initial public draft was done in May 2018. Final public draft was done in July 2018 and final publication was in December 2018. So basically what is NIST 800-37 Revision 2? This document provides guidelines for applying the Security Risk Management Framework to federal information systems to include conducting the activities of security categorization, security control selection, and implementation, security control assessment, information system authorization, and security. It is just the process that guides an organization through a very thorough security during the life cycle of an important system. So the first revision, NIST 800-71 revision 1, name was Guide for Applying the Risk Management Framework to Federal Information System, a Security Lifecycle Approach. However, they changed the name in revision 2. New name is Risk Management Framework for Information Systems and Organization, a system lifecycle approach for security and privacy. So in the new standard, they have added the privacy part as well. NIST 837 Revision 2 has 7 objectives. These objectives are as follow: to provide closer linkage and communication between the risk management processes and activities at the C-suite or the governance level of the organization and the individual, process and activities at the system and operation level of the organization, to institutionalize critical risk management preparatory activities at all risk management level to facilitate a more effective, efficient, and cost-effective execution on the risk management framework. To demonstrate how the NIST cybersecurity framework can be aligned with the risk management framework implemented using established NIST risk management process. To integrate privacy risk management process into the risk management framework to better support the privacy protection needs for which privacy programs are responsible, to promote the development of trustworthy secure software and system by aligning lifecycle based system engineering process in this special publication 800-160 volume 1 with the relevant tasks in the risk management framework, to integrate security related supply chain risk management concept in the risk management framework to address untrustworthy suppliers, insertion of counterfeits, tampering, unauthorized production, theft, insertion of malicious code, and poor manufacturing and development practices throughout the software development lifecycle, and to allow for an organization to generate control selection approach to complement that traditional baseline control selection approach and support the use of a consolidated control catalog in this special publication 853 revision 5. Okay, now let's have a look at the document. So basically this document I have downloaded from the NIST website. So in the link you can see the path, and I will share the link on the comment section as well so you can download it from there. Okay. So it's a 183 page document. We will not go in details, we will look at the high level of this document only. Okay. So let us go to the table of contents. Okay. So basically it has 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is introduction, which gives the information about the background, purpose and applicability, target audience, organization of this application. Chapter 2 is the fundamentals, organizational wide risk management. Other topic, fundamental basic, is covered in this one. Chapter 3 is the process. About the process, we will go in detail. So just have a quick look at the document. Okay, in this one document, they have mentioned about that there are level of risk application. First one is organization, second is mission, business process, and the last one is information systems. Okay. In the risk management framework, they have 7 steps in the risk management framework. So I will show you the diagram as well, which will explain this one. So basically, this is the risk management framework, and in this one, there are 7 steps. These 7 steps are prepare, categorize, select, implement, assess, authorize, monitor. So it's the life cycle, complete life cycle. So it will continue process. So what are these steps are? So we'll start with the first step in this one is prepare. Prepare to execute the risk management framework from an organization and a system level perspective by establishing a context and priorities for managing security and privacy risk. Second step is categorize the system and the information process stored and transmitted by system based on analysis of the impact of loss. Select an initial set of control for system and tailor the controls as needed to reduce risk to an acceptable level based on an assessment of risk. Implement the control and describe how to controls are employed within the system and its environment of operation. Assess the controls to determine if the controls are implemented correctly, operating as intended, and producing the desired outcomes with respect to satisfying the security and privacy requirement. Authorize a system or common control based on determination that there is to organizational operations and assets, individuals, other organization, and the nation is acceptable. Monitor the system and the associated controls on an organization basis on an ongoing basis to include assessing control effectiveness, documented changes to the system and environment of operation, conducting risk assessment and impact analysis, and reporting the security and privacy posture of the system. So this is a risk management framework. Okay. In this one, let us go to the process in which one they have explained all these steps are in detail, and it also mentioned what are the steps in each of the steps, details of the one. So let us go to the process section, chapter 3 of this document. So now we are at the chapter 3, the process. So basically, in this one, it explains how all those 7 steps mentioned above are being taken care of. One thing I want to highlight that NIST, this special publication 800-37 is aligned with NIST cybersecurity framework and NIST 853 revision 5. In NIST 853 revision 5, there are list of controls are mentioned and how it works. Okay. So we have for each process, they have mentioned what are the tasks and what is the expected outcome. For example, this is the first one is for prepare. So in the prepare task, they are prepare steps. There are 7 tasks are there. Okay, and what is the possible outcome of each task? And it also mentioned the cybersecurity framework. What are the controls relevant to it? So this is helpful for the organization who want to implement it. They will know that what are the tasks and what are the controls related to it. So these are available. So this is a summary of the RMF task. So risk management role following these are at the organization level. Following are the tasks need to be performed and who is the uh, primary responsibility and the supporting role. So this is a summary is mentioned in the document for all the tasks and at a different level at the organization level, business level, system level. So all are mentioned distributed into different tasks and it's mentioned in this table. You can download this table from the NIST website, and I will also share the link of this table in my comment section. Okay. So I will not go in detail of each task, but basically this one explain in detail what is required, who's are responsible, and what are the supporting roles required to fulfill the task. Okay. That's all for today's video. Thank you.